A proposed PROPOSCD, a proposed explanation that is based on limited evidence. A proposed explanation that is based on limited evidence. Okay. Now, Vritti was giving answer. Vritti? Okay. A proposed explanation that is based on परिकल्पना जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Camera should be on. Yes. Keep your cameras on. Arav Rana 13109. Sorry, 1309. Arav Rana. Then Ashmit Chauhan, Harshit Katoch, Shiv Thakur. Camera should be on. Shubham. Camera should be on. Listen this thing. Shiv Thakur, so long to see you. Ashmi Chauhan. Okay. Vritti was giving answer. Vritti. Hypothesis means a proposed explanation किसी चीज का पहले से जो एक explanation दे रही तो थोड़े से evidence के ऊपर based हो. That is hypothesis. Okay. It is a noun. Page number 15. It is a noun. Its antonym is. Yes. Fact. जो सच है. ठीक है. Antonym is fact. And synonym is assumption. Let us assume. ठीक है. Assumption. मान लेना means. Okay. Assumption. Now. Vritti, frame its sentence, okay? अब sentence बनाओ इसका. Vritti, sentence बनाओ इसका. देखो hypothesis का ये कि किसी चीज का explanation करने पर उसका proof ज़्यादा limited हो, based on limited evidence. अब इसका antonym opposite means yes, fact. And its synonym is assumption. ASSUMPTION. Now, Vritti, frame its sentence, beta. Sentence बनाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, antonym और synonym दोनों हैं. Meaning is clear. It is a noun. Turn on your back cameras. I want to see that you people. I am writing on the board, and I want to see that you people are writing. So turn on your back cameras. Yes, Tania, very good. Hello, back camera should be on.
She is not audible.
Then check your connectivity, beta. Anshika, beta, camera should be on. Sorry, back camera should be on. Pratyush, back camera should be on, beta. Yes, Vritti, करो बेटा जल्दी से sentence बनाओ इसका.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैं बैक कैमरा ऑन कर रही हूँ तो मैम सिग्नल चला जा रहा है.
Okay, then leave it. Yes, Sameer, very good. Back camera. Pratyush, good. Shiv Thakur, what about you? बताओ कहाँ लिख रही हो तुम? Shiv Thakur. Yes, Harshit. But I want to see Akshita, very good. Yes, Alok is writing. Shranav is writing. Nishali is writing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ तो मैम आप क्या करवा रहे हो?
Beta, we are doing page number 15. Turn on your back camera. I want to see. Okay. Yes, Harshit. Yes. Now Harshit has written some sentence. Yes, Harshit. Harshit, what sentence you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपने क्या सेंटेंस लिखा है?
Ma'am, the hypothesis is that watching excessive amount of television. Ma'am, अभी लिख रहा हूँ. Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, back camera should be on. Write down the sentence. Her stated hypothesis was rejected by the investigator. Her stated hypothesis. Her stated hypothesis, STATED. Her stated hypothesis was rejected by the investigator. Don't unmute yourself. Her stated hypothesis was rejected. Very good, Akshita Rana. Tanya, very good. Her stated hypothesis was rejected by the audience. Shrana, camera fix karo beta. Her stated hypothesis was rejected, REJECTED, rejected by the audience. Her stated hypothesis was rejected by the audience. Okay. Next sentence, Samir, 1412. Samir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Samir, what is the next word?
Privileged.
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 Privileged. Speak it once again. फिर से करो, read it. Read करो इसको. Yes, Samir.
Privileged.
Yes, privileged. What is this? Privileged. Privilege means a person or group having special rights and power. जैसे कईयों को special rights and powers दिए होते हैं, they are called privileged. Okay, write down. Back camera should be on. A person. Write down. A person or group. A person or group having special rights and powers. A person or group having special, writing cursive writing, okay? Special rights and powers. Rights and powers.
Ma'am,
Now,
this is
yes, this is an adjective. Write down adjective. It's synonym. It's synonymous. Synonym का क्या होगा? What will be its synonym? Its synonym will be honored. Okay. Synonym will be honored. Mean उनको special powers and rights दिए. Okay. अभी we are on page number 15. You have just joined the class. Write down honored. Synonym is honored.
मैम एंटोनिम क्या है?
देखो प्रिविलेज का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड. ओके, प्रिविलेज का ऑपोजिट अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड. राइट डाउन. अंडर लगा दो इसके साथ. एंड प्रिविलेज्ड. Underprivileged. Privilege means a person or group having special rights and powers. It is an adjective. Its antonym is underprivileged. Okay. Synonym is honored. Now, Abhay 1317 will frame its sentence. Yes, Abhay. What can be its sentence? अभय सेंटेंस बताओ अभय इसका.
मैम अक्षिता राणा.
Wait a minute, beta. Abhay, 1317 will tell. Privilege means very special powers. Abhay has, you can write, Abhay is privileged. Okay? Abhay is privileged, and this is the reason why he is so naughty in the class. Or you can also write, she is privileged, and this is the reason why she gets so much attention in the office. Any sentence you can write, okay? कोई भी sentence आप लिख सकते हो. Yes, Akshita, you were saying.
Ma'am,
Akshita,
only a privileged few are allowed to enter this room.
Okay, you can write this sentence also. Only a few. Akshita, repeat it.
Only a privileged few are allowed to enter this room.
Only a few privileged are allowed to enter this room. Okay. Now, shall we move to next? आगे चले?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Ankita, आप बोलो. What is the third word? Third word, okay? Come to the next word. Yes, speak out, Ankita. This is nonchalant, okay? Nonchalant. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Nonchalant. CHALANT is written. It is nonchalant, okay? अब nonchalant क्या होता है बेटा?
Ma'am, careless.
हाँ. This is just like you have become
Not feeling.
Okay. Nonchalant means careless. Okay. Is nonchalant. Okay. Uncle Roger was nonchalant. Yeah. Nonchalant means. Antonym है ना? Nonchalant means careless. Okay. Board is visible ना? Nonchalant means careless. हाँ. Ankita, now you tell me what will be its antonym. Opposite क्या होगा? It is careless. अब nonchalant का मतलब कोई आदमी बहुत लापरवाह है, careless है, ठीक है? अब antonym क्या होगा? What will be its antonym? Careful. अब antonym से क्या होगा? Careless है, very easy. Careless, careful. It's very careful.
Ma'am, this is also adjective.
This is also an adjective because it shows some qualities, okay, of the noun. So it is also an adjective.
Yes.
Write down it. It is an adjective. And what could be its synonym? What could be its synonym? अब antonym देखो, careless से careful ये बहुत easy था. Now what can be its synonym?
Ma'am, composed.
Nonchalant, composed. Spell it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, COMPOSED.
Okay, write down compose, or you can write easygoing. ऐसे चलो, easygoing. Okay. Synonym, you can write compose or you can write easygoing. Easygoing. Yes. Tanya, now you tell me its sentence. Any sentence बताओ.
Yes. Ruhani, non-black girl.
Sorry, Tani is a nonchalant girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Write down. Yes, write down. Okay. He is nonchalant. You can write he is nonchalant in his work, in his deeds. Okay.
Ma'am, her throat tightened, understanding the honor despite his nonchalant delivery.
Okay. Okay. Write down any sentence you can frame, but it should convey proper meaning. Okay. Now. Come to next page, page number 16. Okay, first of all, write down those who have written, they should switch to next page. Page number 16. Now, here in this, yes, now in this graphic organizer. Okay. Yes, Shrena, page number 16 ko read karo. What is there?
Complete the graphic organizer below with the examples of different types of adverbs.
Adverbs, okay. Different types of adverbs you have to write. Then you have to complete. Okay, 6 adverbs are given. You know what are adverbs? That are adverbs modifies, means it adds something to the meaning. It converts a verb, adjective or another adverb. अब तुम्हें इसके examples लिखने हैं. Adverbs of place, adverb of time, adverb for purpose, adverb of manner, degree, frequency. इन सभी के आपको you have to write down the examples. Adverb of place का what can be its example?
Ma'am, anywhere down near.
Yes, बेटा वो तो है, but you have to write sentences. Okay. Please keep this book here. Okay. Write down. मैं आपकी book let me see your book. Please keep this book here. Please keep this book here.
मैम यहाँ पे सेंटेंस नहीं आएंगे.
Wait a minute.
मैम यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल्स हैं.
रुको बेटा. Listen. Complete the graphic organizer below. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You will do it yourself and then you will send this to me under assignments tab. Okay. जो भी आप sentences लिखोगे. Come to page number 17. अभी इसको छोड़ो. Come to page number 17. Nishali, read this first question.
Yes, ma'am. According to Dr. Jacqueline Latford, what was his greatest conflict? How did he find a solution to that conflict?
According to Dr. Jekyll's letter, what was his greatest conflict? Okay. Now, how did he find a resolution to that conflict? Now, Nishali, what we have to do in this question? क्या करना है हमें इस question में? क्या करना है बेटा इस question में? Nishali. Yes, Anshika Dogra. What was the according to Dr. Jekyll letter, what was his greatest conflict? Okay, then how did he resolve it? कैसे उसने resolve किया उसको? Anshika Dogra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What was his greatest conflict?
Ma'am, that he make a
That he make a.
Yes, ma'am, that he make a chemical and he experiment on him. Ma'am,
Yes.
Then he saw the patient and at night when he saw his face in the mirror, his skin color was green and that his black side.
Okay, good. Yes, Tani. Wait a
Ma'am,
minute.
can I tell next answer?
नहीं, wait a minute बेटा. पहले इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस मैं एक और से पूछना चाहती हूँ. सेजल 3295. Sejal, you tell me what was the greatest conflict of Dr. Jekyll? क्या था डॉक्टर जेकिल की सबसे ज्यादा किसमें संघर्ष चला था, conflict किसमें was going on? Sejal 3295, अभय 1317, आलोक, अश्मी चौहान, आरव राणा, राघव परमार, अभिमन्यु, दीक्षा, ऋषभ, प्रीति, बस नहीं देना आंसर इन्होंने, बस 3-4 बच्चे देंगे बस, बाकी कोई नहीं। प्रत्युष 1242,
Yes, ma'am.
yes Pratyush, what was his Anshika has said answer. Now you tell me what was his greatest conflict? क्या था उसका greatest conflict? Yes Pratyush. Yes Pratyush. सेजल, किसी ने आंसर नहीं दे रहा, बस कुछ नहीं आता नहीं। अंशिका's answer was correct. I am saying this thing. अब पता नहीं है उसने क्या बोल दिया, ये पता ही नहीं है क्या बोला अंशिका ने। सेजल 3295, इसका मतलब आप दूसरे का आंसर नहीं सुनते हो, दूसरे ने क्या बोल दिया पता ही नहीं है। अब ये कि मैं आगे करवाते चलूं तो आपसे यू टेल मी। निशाली आप बताओ।
Ma'am, that Dr. Jackie drank the poison. He had in middle that killed his twin even if in the middle.
Okay, now listen to me. Dr. Jekyll's greatest conflict was, सबसे ज्यादा उसको क्या conflict थे, क्या उसके mind में संघर्ष was going on, क्या conflict था उसके mind में? तो Dr. Jekyll's greatest conflict was क्या था? Whether he should conduct his experiment. उसको यही था कि मैं experiment कहाँ करूँ? Where he should, upon whom he should conduct his experiments. That was the greatest conflict. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Dr. Jekyll's greatest conflict was that whether he should conduct his experiments on himself or not. ये था उसका greatest conflict. Sharanav, next question. इतना easy question है शरणाव, अगर ये आंसर नहीं आया ना, then you should be ashamed of yourself. Question number 2.
Yes, ma'am. How did Dr. Jackie feel after he drank the potion?
Yes. So कैसे feel हुआ when he drank the potion? As soon as he drank the potion, then how did he feel? Sharanav.
Ma'am, when Dr. Jekyll drank the potion, he feel like that he is not.
शरणाव का कैमरा ऑन है ही नहीं, क्या बोलूं मैं इसको।
मैम कैन आई?
अब देखो कैमरा किसके ऑन है? अक्षिता राणा, अंशिका डोगरा का, एंड दीक्षा, निशाली, समीर, वृत्ति, बस ये बाकियों ने क्लास लगाई है। शायद में भी खाना वगैरह बना रहे होंगे, खाने का टाइम हो गया ना, चावल चूवल लगे होंगे बनाने, दाल दूल लगे होंगे बनाने, पल्सेस एंड राइस लगे होंगे बनाने, या पोचा लगे होंगे लगाने। क्लास लगा गए, मोप कर दिया अपना फ्लोर, बस क्लास लगा गए, कैमरा बंद है। अब क्या कर रहे होंगे? या तो पक्का ये किचन में खाना बना रहे होंगे, ये मशीन लगाई हुई, कपड़े कुपड़े सूखने डाल रहे होंगे, है ना, या लगा दिए तो टीवी देखने बैठे होंगे, क्लास ज्वाइन कर दी, खुद गायब हो जाओ। अभय ने तो कसम खाई है। ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन। ये दिस, बस 2 ही बच्चे हैं क्लास में, 3 पूछने वाले, बस इनसे पूछना है मुझे लगता है। तानिया, अब ये तानिया भी क्लास, शी हैज लेफ्ट.
Shika can tell.
यस
मैम
अक्षिता.
कैन आई टेल?
बस एक अक्षिता, अंशिका, श्रनवी up to some extent. Pratyush, you tell me. Second question is very easy. Pratyush.
How did Dr. Delicate feel after he drank the potion? The Dr. Delicate drank the Dr. Delicate drank the potion. His mind was spinning and
He was convulsing. He was convulsing.
his body has pain and his head is spinning.
Okay, very good, very good. Akshita Rana, now you tell me how the second question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he acted with pain throughout body and he was convulsing with high fever and pain and the world was spinning around him.
Very good. Okay. Now, beta, question number 1 and question number 2 you will do. Come to question number 3. Diksha 3057. Diksha 3057, question number 3rd. Diksha. Sameer 1412.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, question number 3rd.
How did Dr. Jackie feel on
Ja-
meeting Edward Hyde for the first time?
How did Dr. Jekyll feel on meeting Edward Hyde for the first time? अब जब Dr. Jekyll, when he drank that potion, then he saw his reflection. Okay, then he saw his reflection on the mirror. Then how did this Dr. Jekyll ने कैसे feel हुआ? How did he feel? कैसे feel हुआ था बेटा उसको? ये समीर कि उसको कैसे फील हुआ था कि दिस इज दैट डॉक्टर सॉरी दिस हाइडी वाज अ यंग एंड हाइडीज करेक्टर. ओके, ये था आपकी बुक में. ही वाज अ यंग एंड हाइडीज करेक्टर एंड who was much smaller, who was much younger than he was. Okay. ओके, हम इतना ही करेंगे आज क्योंकि आप बच्चे रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहे हो. तो देन व्हाई टू मूव अहेड. तो बहुत इजी सा क्वेश्चन करते हैं क्लास में. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर हम करेंगे अभी 10. ओके, दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. That is very interesting. We will do this question because you all people are not giving response. Alok.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Question page number 21. Question number 10. It is very interesting question.
In the graphic organism below, list 5 topmost concerns that Dr. Jekyll would have had when he created Edward Hyde.
Okay. Now, what we have to do in this question, this is Dr. Jekyll. Okay. Now, 5 things आपको क्या लगते हैं कि वो 5 things क्या होंगे जो डॉक्टर जेकिल के माइंड में होंगी? Okay. जेकिल के माइंड में होंगी when he created Edward Hyde. जब उसने एडवर्ड हाइडी को क्रिएट किया तो उसके 5 कंसर्न्स, उसके 5 थिंग्स उसके माइंड में होंगी कि क्या होगा कि इफ ही टुक ओवर माय बॉडी कंप्लीटली. आपको क्या लगता है कौन सी 5 थिंग्स जो है? जैसे व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हाट इफ ही टुक ओवर माय बॉडी कंप्लीटली. क्या होगा अगर उसने सारी मेरी पूरी बॉडी के ऊपर कब्जा कर दिया? तो ऐसे 5 थिंग्स यू हैव टू राइट. ठीक है, अब खुद लिखोगे आप इसको. कोई भी 5 टॉप मोस्ट कंसर्न्स क्या हो सकता है जब वो डॉक्टर जेकिल क्रिएटेड एडवर्ड हाइड, उसने उसको क्रिएट कर दिया तो उसके माइंड में 5 टॉप मोस्ट क्या चीजें हो सकती हैं? एक तो ये थी व्हाट इफ से करोगे, वुड से कर सकते हो शुरू आप. ठीक है, जैसे फर्स्ट आई हैव टोल्ड व्हाट इफ ही टुक ओवर माय होल बॉडी कंप्लीटली. इफ ही टुक ओवर माय बॉडी कंप्लीटली, क्या होगा अगर उसे मेरी बॉडी पे पूरे पे मीन्स वो कंट्रोल मुझे He started controlling me first. Write down. आपको क्या लगता है 5 टॉप मोस्ट कंसर्न्स? प्रीति, बेटा कैमरा शुड बी ऑन. ऋषभ, कृति, अभिमन्यु, अभय. आलोक लिखो बेटा 5 थिंग्स. Any 5 concerns? तुम ये भी माइंड में यू कैन राइट कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, व्हाट वुड पीपल थिंक ऑफ मी, ठीक है, एंड हाउ आई वुड एक्सप्लेन दिस एडवर्ड हाइडी टू देम. मैं कैसे इस एडवर्ड हाइडी को एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, पीपल मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, मेरी बॉडी ऐसे. हिंट्स आई हैव गिवन. Your today's homework will be page number 15 and page number 17. 16 also. Page number 15, 16, 17. 5 topmost concern. Very good, Nishali. Write down. देखो निशाली, अंशिका, अक्षिता, श्रना, प्रत्युष, आलोक, समीर भी. बस. Rest of the students they are on rest. एक तो बच्चे आज ज्वाइन इतने कम हुए हैं. वृत्ति भी सो गई है. अभय बेटा कैमरा शुड बी ऑन. कृति, ऋषभ, श्रनव, व्हाट हैपेंड? खाना स्टार्टेड टेकिंग योर लंच? 5